Kia ora, Year 9. So this video is about multiples and factors. So let's have a look at a few examples here. List the first four multiples of 3 because it says first four multiples. So we are looking at one by one. So the first one should be 3. We have one lot of 3, so that will give us 3. And we're going to have two lots of 3. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. And we're looking at 3 lots of 3, and that will give us 9. And the last one will be, the fourth one will be 4 lots of 3, so there will be 12. So the first four multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12. So we use the same approach to the next question. List the first 5 multiples of 5. So again, we start with have one lot of 5, so that will give us 5. And 2 lots of 5 give us 10. And next one will be 3 lots of 5 will be 15. And 4 lots of 5 will give us 20. And we have fifth one will be 5 lots of 5, which is 25. So this is how we find the multiples of an integer. Factors. How do we find factors of an integer? Okay, so remember in the class we did actually explore what factors are, and we noticed that it's always factor multiplied by another factor, and then that will give us the product, or we also say these are the multiples. Okay, so let's have a look at list the factors of 15. So we actually branch out and think of two numbers that you can multiply to get 15. So start from the easiest number, start from 1. So that's 1 times 15. And think about 2. 2 times what will give you 15? We can't think of any, so there's none. And we move on to 3. So it's 3 times by 5. And the next one, 4. 4 times, there's no integer, multiplied by 4 will give us 15. And the next one will be 5. And we notice that we are actually repeating this 3 times by 5. So that's where we stop and we cross that repetition out. So therefore, the factors of 15s are 1, 15, 3, and 5. We have 4 factors altogether. Let's have a look at the next question here. List the factors, all the factors of 39. Now again, we do the same approach. You can draw the tree branch out. We start with 1, 1 times 39. And 2, can you think of any number? There's none, multiply to get 39. And what about 3? We know that 3 times by 13 will give us 39. What about 4? No, not really, because 4 times 9 will give us 36. And what about 5? No, there's no number multiplied by 5 will give us that 39. And we just keep going. And what about 6? 6 times 6, 6 times 7, it passed 36. 7 doesn't work, 8 doesn't work. And eventually we are reaching 13 times by 3. And that is a repetition of 3 times 13. So therefore we cross out. And that's a point we know we can stop. So therefore the factors of 39 are 1, 39, 3, and 13. Please make sure that you do rest of the questions on the exercise worksheet that I give you. If you have any question, you can always come back to this video again, and also let me know if you have any further question. Thank you. Bye.